Hey folks, this is Kenny. We're doing a video on the deck. We just painted it with painted a handrail. A buddy of mine did. And he did a super job. And he painted it with a product. Ordered up from Home Depot. And it is awesome. And this is going up to the pool, at the pool gate. Plus you got a fenced in backyard. And this is the main thing to keep people from getting in the pool. And this is a little tricky here. This is a nice safety gate right here. But it fills in all the cracks. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got grit in it. Or granulars to make it slip proof. That's going to be really nice. And it does like 1/4-inch cracks. I mean, look at the cracks that built in right there. It's awesome. But they make it slip proof for when you get out of the pool and all that stuff. I got the product from Home Depot. I'll put a link below in the description of my video. But this is a 16 by 16 by 20 deck. Got my hummingbird feeder, and there is my dip can, and I put water in there to keep the hummingbirds. Keep the ants from getting to the hummingbird feeder. I got to fill up. We hadn't had rain in a while. I just need to fill that up. All right. The steps had a lot of cracks in them. But that's why I was 2 coats of paint. 2 coats of paint. When you get dirt on your feet, it does show a little bit of. But it'll when it rains, it'll all go away. You can wash off with a hose. But here's what it looks like from the outside. Just give y'all. It looks like. Yeah, awesome about Sherwin-Williams paint for the duration for the outer deck. And then here's my gas line going to my grill from the 120-gallon propane tank. Here she is. But that's some great paint, y'all. Give you another little detour of it. But yeah, that's some great. It's some thick stuff. Thick, and you can hear it, how rough it is. It's great paint. Here's another view of it, up close. But I like it. It's doing really good. Our deck just got past the point the wood started cracking and this and that, and the sealer just wasn't doing a job. So I said, heck with it. So we did the whole thing. All right. But got the steps in yesterday. Pick this up my hose. Put that on a shepherd's hook. That way I can get water in there. Sorry about that. Oh well. Fix that later. Anyway. Yes, you're doing a good job. But yeah, I just want to show y'all the freshly new painted deck. And the new product we put on. It's an Ames safety deck. It's called Safety Deck. Safety Deck. It's called. And that's the pool holder right there. For getting cleaning out the pool, the pole. All right. Well. Hey y'all, I want to thank y'all for watching. I just wanted to give you a little update on the deck and the deck project. So y'all take it easy. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless and Semper Fi. Please subscribe. Y'all take it easy now. All right, bye-bye.